Hello everyone, do you want to learn programming? Want to write your first code? Yeah, we are. Welcome to my Python Beginners Learning series. In this series, we will go through an in-detail understanding of all core concepts of Python programming from basic to advanced. Whether you have zero programming experience or you are completely new to Python, this series is designed just for you. There are no prerequisites required except your time and eagerness to learn. Throughout the series, I will using clear and concise explanation to help you understand the fundamental concepts of Python. We will cover everything from variables and data types to loops, conditionals, functions and more. Each topic will be explained in detail to ensure that you grasp the concept thoroughly. One of the best things about this series is that it's interactive and practical. We will be diving straight into coding and solving real life problems using Python. So get ready and roll up your sleeves to start coding from the day one. Another best part is that the series is free. You will have access to all the episodes and resources without spending a single penny. But remember one thing, learning Python is not just about watching videos. It's about putting what you learn into practice. So along with the theory, we will also have coding exercise and challenges to help you reinforce your knowledge. I assure you, by the end of this series, you will have a strong foundation of Python programming and be ready to take on more advanced projects. Whether you want to pursue a career in software development, data science, or web development, Python is an excellent language to start with. So, are you ready to embark on this Python programming adventure with me? Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you would not miss any episode. I am getting excited because we are going to have a lot of fun while learning Python together. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye bye. Happy coding.